Hi students, this is Ms. Johnson with the third and final part to 3-1, working with linear equations. Alright, today we are going to learn how to graph the following linear equations using the x and y intercepts. Remember, the x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. And when we find the y-intercept, because it's going to be crossing the y-axis going up and down, that means our x value is going to be 0. We don't have to go across it all. So to find the y-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 for x, and that will give us our y value. Vice versa, to find the x-intercept, that's going across, we need to let y equal 0, because we won't be going up and down at all. So we're going to plug in 0 for y and find x. Once we have those two things, we're just going to plot the 2 points and connect the dots. Alright, let me get a pen here. Alright, let's go and take the first equation. X plus y equals 4. So, what we're going to do is we are going to find the y-intercept. And when we find the y-intercept, our x needs to be 0. So if we put 0 in for x, 0's nothing. We've got 0 plus y equals 4. So this is easy. That means y equals 4. To find our x-intercept, we need to have y equaling 0. So we're going to put 0 in for y, which is going to leave us with x plus 0 equals 4. So x equals 4. Alright, so to go ahead and plot these, we've got x is 0, y is 4. So x is 0, y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our y-intercept. And then to find our x-intercept, x equals 4, so I'm going to go across to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's right. And plot our dot. So we've got our x-intercept, we've got our y-intercept. Now we just go ahead and connect the dots with a fairly straight line. Use your ruler. And there you go. There's the graph for x plus y equals 4. We don't have to put it into slope-intercept form. We don't have to make a table. We don't have to find 5 points and substitute them in. We just need to put in x equals 0 to find the y-intercept, and we need to put y equals 0 to find the x-intercept. Kind of easy. Alright, let's try an equation that's a little bit more complicated. We've got 2x plus 4y equals 16. Alright, let's go ahead and find our y-intercept. So if x equals 0, that means I'm going to put 0 in for x, and 2 times 0 is 0. So this whole part over here is going to be gone. So we're going to be left with 4y equals 16. Well, let's solve for y. Well, to solve for y, all we need to do is divide by 4, divide by 4. So y equals 16 divided by 4, which is 4. Alright, if we're going to find the x-intercept, then we're going to have y equaling 0. So this time, let me erase that. So this time, we are going to have y equaling 0. So it's going to be 4 times 0, which is nothing. So all of this is going to disappear. It's going to be nothing. So we're going to be left with 2x equals 16. We want to find out what x equals, so we're going to divide by 2, and x equals 16 divided by 2, which is 8. Okay, so to find the y-intercept, just plug in 0 for x, solve the equation for y. To find the x-intercept, plug in 0 for y, solve the equation and figure out what x equals. Alright, now we can go ahead and plot the points. For our y-intercept is at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ironically the same as the problem above. And our x-intercept is 8, so I'm going to go over to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like it'll be about right here. And connect the dots. Ooh, that was a really bad straight line. It's supposed to be straight. Use your rulers. So this is how you graph linear equations using the x and y-intercepts following these 3 steps. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.